What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Alright, so first off, why are we promoting the $25 business? It's because of its affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. So that's the best deal you're going to find, guys, to be honest with you. Best affiliate program I ever seen. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here and see if we got a sale. Looks like we did get a sale. We got 2 sales yesterday. Okay, we got 2 sales yesterday, guys.
Nice.
Fantastic. Alright. Okay, so what we're going to do now is get you links. Get you your affiliate links for this particular program. Now I'm going to show you the link that I use to get these sales, in case you guys are wondering. You can use any links that you want. These are the links that I use here. Alright, the all-in-one sales letter link. That's the one that I use personally. Now you can use any link that you want. That's the one I use, just in case you guys are interested. So the first and foremost to getting your links, you go to my description page on my YouTube channel, YouTube video here, this YouTube video here. Go down there, you're gonna see step 1, step 2. Step 1 should have like incomespeech.com. You click on that link, it'll take you to this page here. Now what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. Talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? Now if you're interested in what it is, it's a funnel builder. It's actually a pretty decent one for $25 a month, which is a fantastic deal if you want to use it for that. But the reason we're using it is because it's affiliate program. That's the reason why we want to use it, because it's the best program I ever found. And essentially you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions off of each customer, guys. It's just that crazy, right? So if you guys are interested in that, you can read on over about that. They also get a charity, interested in that. A bunch of information explaining what you're getting. Alright. So anyway, you decide you want to try this out. Click on one of the green buttons. It's going to take you to a page like this. You put in basic information to get the product, right? Now one thing I want to mention when you use my link is that you get 14 days free with HBA Premium. And HBA Premium is basically training on how to get sales with products such as on like Facebook ad, Facebook group, podcasting, blogging, LinkedIn, solo ads, TikTok, Instagram, so on and so forth. Just more and more ways to do it, right? And also you get a AI content creation machine. All right, this thing here helps you make articles, make posts, make emails, make whatever you need to make, right? In case you're interested in that. Yeah, you get that for free for 14 days. Now one cool thing, the best thing about this, and the reason why I really urge you guys to get this, is because when you get a sale with this product, you can keep that $100, guys, because the product is $125 a month. You get a sale with this product, you get $100. That's 80% recurring. So you get $100 if you get a sale with their product, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, so decide you want this. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, you got your links. You go through this, your videos explaining everything. You got your affiliate links. All right, now you're trying to figure out what to do. Now we need a way to promote these links. All right, and what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way to promote links I have found on the internet, period. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. Gonna click on members log. By the way, guys, first you need to go to my video. You're gonna see my second link there and click on it and get to this page. All right, guys, make sure you do that first. I'm sorry, I was talking ahead for a second there. I'm sorry I ain't explained that first. But yeah, you want to come this, you're going to get to this page, My Lead Gen Secrets, right? You're going to click on members login, and we're just going to click on login to my account. Boom, boom. And then we're just gonna go to mailing system once you get logged in. Now what you do with my lead gen secret, what it is that you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day. That's all it is to it. So we're just gonna pick an email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. Boom. Got an email that ChatGPT has written for us. All right, so we load up the email in the system. Click on perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around the time that people check their emails. All right, we're gonna hit preview. The main reason is to make sure the link works. Make sure the link is working. It is working. Went straight to the page. And the second reason is because just in case you guys are interested in copying this email, you can copy it right here. All right. Pause the video, copy the whole email. I don't really mind. That's the main reason why I did this anyway. All right, so that's all it takes. You send the email and you are done, guys. And you do this every single morning. You don't even really need to once you got your emails in the system, it takes about 30 seconds per morning to do. 30 seconds maybe, just to log in. Really pick an email, send it. That's all it takes. You do that every morning, you make money. Pretty easy. It's the easiest method I have found. Now what a lot of people like to do is get a bunch of accounts and send emails. I've seen that happen. I've seen it perform pretty well when you do that. I personally am using this just to show you guys that this make money even with just one account. All right, but most people do get multiple accounts, use multiple accounts. I just want to show one because main reason because I'm promoting other stuff with other accounts, but I just want to make sure I show you guys, hey, even with one account this works, you know. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.